You decorating the deck? Wow. You did such a nice job. You're putting the green chalk on everything. Yep. Make a mark here, make a mark there. Oh, that one didn't. Yeah, okay. What about your water? Where's the water? Okay. Made that mark. Oh, hold on. Mark the bubble blower too. What else will you get? Yep. Mark the couch. And the couch cushion. Oh, even Broby got chalk. What else can you mark? Yep, over here. And that one. Can't say Lauren wasn't here today. You're a little graffiti artist? Baby's first graffiti. A little bit? I'm busy drawing. I'm giving Broby some makeup. There's never enough. What are you doing? Lauren, what are you doing? Is it hot out? It's really, really hot out today. It's about 100 degrees out, literally. And we're soaking wet and sweaty. We've been splashing in the pool. Don't get him too chalky. Don't get him so... Oh, Broby. Oh, you give him a kiss? You give him a hug? Can you give him a hug? Can you give me a kiss? Lauren, can I have a kiss? Oh, Broby. That's enough drawing on Broby.
Water.
The water. Who's in the water? You're going to draw on his back? What are you drawing?
Back?
You're drawing on your back. You draw on yourself? Where's your belly?